guys, it's lunchtime. I've got 15 minutes to spare and I'm going to show you how I cook the classic carbonara all in 15 minutes. Let's get started. As always folks, the ingredients and measurements can be found in the description below. First we add 3 teaspoons of salt to boiling water. It's very important you use a minimum of 3 teaspoons because you need to treat this boiling water like you would stock. Don't forget you're going to be using it further on. Next, insert our spaghetti to the water and give it a mix. Now we're going to let that spaghetti boil in that water for a period of about 9 to 10 minutes. Next we add a teaspoon of olive oil to our medium to high heat pan. Next we add our guanciale to the pan. Cook this on a medium to high heat for a period of 2 to 3 minutes and reduce your temperature right down. Next we add our spaghetti to our pan. Now it's very important you do not strain the spaghetti. You need to take that salt water with the spaghetti straight into the pan. On your low heat, mix around your spaghetti and your guanciale. Take your pan off the heat and now let's talk about the sauce. Now we're going to crack 1 large egg into our bowl and whisk thoroughly. To our egg mix we're now going to add some freshly ground black pepper and some grated Parmesan cheese and mix thoroughly. Now it's time to add this bowl of joy to our pan. Now I want to stress how important it is that this pan cannot be roasting hot or else you will have a pan full of scrambled eggs and nobody wants that. It needs to be a little bit above lukewarm. Now it's time to mix as much as we can, as quick as we can, because you need to remember there is enough heat at the bottom of this pan to keep this dish good and warm. At this point the salt water and the fat from the guanciale will amalgamate together to aid your sauce. Right guys, as always, on to the presentation. Now I'm going to show you how I prettyify this dish. Scoop up your spaghetti into the bowl. Grate some of your Parmesan cheese over the top of it, not too much now. Next we add a drizzle of some good olive oil over the top. Last but not least, some chopped up parsley, purely for presentation. Let no one tell you that a meal needs to take forever. There you go, a delicious carbonara ready in 15 minutes. I'm going to tuck it in. It's absolutely beautiful. So simple. The ingredients are so easy. You have everything. As I said, it's ready in 15 minutes. Why not give it a go? I love it. Guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, to hit that subscription button and also to give me a thumbs up. Cheers. See you soon.